Heavy monsoon rains across India have triggered floods and landslides, killing as many as 868 people across several states. The season lasts from June to September and wreaks havoc across South Asia every year. The flooding in recent days has seen houses swept away and agricultural crops destroyed in various regions. Millions have been affected, with many stranded in fast-flowing waters. Rescue teams have been deployed to the worst affected regions. The India Meteorological Department (IMD) has warned that more heavy rains are expected in the northwestern regions of the country.